I'm James Swinney, and here is your morning market brief. We first begin overseas with the major Asian Pacific markets continuing to trade mixed overnight, this time with Japan's Nikkei 225 index on the upside, 2.2%. However, the Shanghai Composite, that was lower, 0.1%. European markets are mostly higher this morning, and U.S. stock futures, they were pointing towards a positive open after the bell. Right now, the Dow Jones up a little more than 48 points. Now, we first begin in Japan as the Japanese yen currency has officially resumed its downward trend this after the Bank of Japan gave markets a big positive surprise overnight. The Bank of Japan stated that it would double its holdings of government bonds as well as ETFs in order to reach its 2% inflation target within the next 2 years. Meanwhile, in the Eurozone, services PMI, that fell to 46.5 from 47.9 during the month of February, indicating an accelerating pace of contraction. France's services PMI, that fell to 41.3, a 49-month low. And Germany saw its services PMI fall sharply to 50.9 from 54.7 in February. Meanwhile, over in England, its central bank elected to leave the benchmark interest rate on hold at 0.5%, and its target size of the asset purchase program unchanged at £375 billion at its monthly policy meeting today. Meanwhile, the European Central Bank left its key benchmark refinancing rate unchanged at 0.75%, and the deposit rate unchanged at 0% at today's monetary policy meeting. And out of the United States, initial jobless claims figures unexpectedly jumped to 385,000 last week. Economists were predicting initial claims would fall to 353,000 in the week ended March 30th. That's down from 357,000 new claims just the week before. And ending, we have continuing claims that rose to 3.063 million from 3.05 million just the previous week.